Ladies and gentlemen, this is Prizers TV. I said this is Prizers TV, and we are here once more. We are here because of this important news that we have for you today. Believe me, this news is one of the best news so far. By the grace of God, this news will be remembered forever and ever in Nigeria history, including this image you are seeing here and the people that you see lined up here. I know you will be wondering, who are these people? Well, based on my caption, you have already known why I'm here. And when you look at these people, you see them as if they are in a church reading Bible. Well, they are actually taking oath of duty. The people you are seeing are the people who are going to give Lagos 24/7 power supply. You have already heard me. The breaking news currently is that Lagos State has announced 24/7 power supply, which is what Nigeria has been dreaming of for years, to make sure that nobody will call Nigeria a generator republic anymore. And by the grace of God, things have started turning around positively, especially when it comes to electricity. And one thing you must also understand is that Lagos is not the only state in Nigeria that has made this announcement. The announcements have started happening different places. At least 4 or 3 states has made an announcement. One state currently is enjoying 24/7 power supply in Nigeria. And the current government in office that made sure that the power is being given to the state to work and provide whatever its people need is what is bringing this fruit that everybody is going to eat together. The reason Nigeria has not had power supply is because of leaders in the past who made sure that everybody will suffer the same and everybody will develop the same. It's impossible for Nigeria, the whole country, have electricity one day. And if all of them are not going to have electricity one day, everybody will be using generator. That is punishment. Believe me, the evolution of power in electricity and other things to the state is one of the best decisions Nigeria has ever made in the history. So when I heard the news, I was very, very happy. I was one of the happiest person in the world. Why? Because I know that Nigerian development lies on electricity. Once Nigeria has 24/7 power supply, Africa will hear our voice. The world will then know that Nigeria exists. Nigeria has been suffering without electricity, and Nigeria is developing this way. Imagine with electricity what will happen. Nigeria will break record. And that is exactly what is going to happen. So we are going to read about this news because this is an amazing news. And we are going through all the things that, how it is going to happen. We show you the images and where this electricity is going to have effect. Because this is going to have a very nice positive effect in Nigerian development, infrastructurally, and also in the lives of the common people. Imagine being in Lagos 24/7 without taking light. NEPA will be gone forever. This is a dream that is actually coming true slowly. Many people never expected that this dream will come so soon, but we are here with it. Therefore, let's go and we read about this news because it's an amazing news. It is an amazing news. It is a good one, a very, very nice one. And why everybody trusts it is because of Abia State that currently has electricity, and Imo State also having made the announcement. Ogun State has begun to provide electricity to some part of capital city. I mean 24/7 power supply. Enugu State has made an announcement of 24/7 power supply being generated by coal. Everybody is now solving its problem. That is a good news. And finally, Lagos, the Oga Kpatakpata himself, made the announcement today. No, 2 days ago. So we are going to read about it, and you are going to hear it because entire Lagos is jubilating and celebrating. Entire Lagos. When this happened, come and see investment. There are many companies who had been afraid of coming to Nigeria for investment. Now they are going to troop in. I give Nigeria what I used to say before, 7 years, and Africa will notice that Nigeria exists. You see African giant? That giant will be real giant. Now that electricity is coming, it is no more 7 years. I give Nigeria 4 years. After this electricity, oh God, only God knows the number of companies that will relocate to Nigeria. Only God knows. Only God knows how many companies will be established in Nigeria by Nigerians. Most of all these products we are getting from China, they are all going to be manufactured in Nigeria. Go and mark my word. Including automobile industries. This is one of the best news so far. And let's go and read about it. And we pray that everything works safely as planned. Everything works safely as planned. If you go to Lagos today, it is what everybody is talking about. No other thing. And everybody is thanking the governor and the government for making this thing to be possible. Because they know it is possible. After Abia State got their electricity, everybody know it is possible. And Lagos made the announcement. Let's go and you hear the announcement, okay? So, and I am coming, after I will reading, I'm coming to explain to you what it means. In the beginning, this is how the breaking news came, and it came yesterday at 13:52. It was released by government. It says Lagos government or Lagos will begin rolling out pilot 24-hour electricity franchise zone by October 2026 as part of the major push to provide power supply, metering and electricity reliability across the state. The initiative, led by LASEC, is expected to strengthen Lagos' independent electricity market and expand generation capacity in the coming years. Now, if you see it like this, you will be confused, because the only thing you know is pilot 24-hour electricity franchise zone by October 2026. Now, what this means is that Lagos has already confirmed that they have enough electricity, and this electricity will be staying 24/7 without going off. Now, but what they did is they are going to select 2 or 3 zones. I think Lagos is zoned into 5, right? Ireland, Ikeja, I think Ikoyi. There are 5 places. So they are going to select 2 or 3 places and start test run from that place. Okay, so from then they begin to expand. So, but what we see here is that they have not made the announcement of the place. So let's go and read more information about it. Now, so on LASEC also published it on May 8, 2026. And from there, everybody began to report again. It is a LASEC to launch 24/7 electricity franchise zone in Lagos by October 2026. Then it will continue. The Lagos State Electricity Regulatory Commission, LASEC, has a review plan to commence the pilot rollout of 24/7 electricity franchise zones across Lagos by October 2026 as part of the effort to transform the state electricity market. The disclosure was made by the Commission's Chief Executive Officer, Temitope George, during the Commission's maiden stakeholder engagement at the Court Hotel on Thursday. The initiative formed part of LASEC's short-term regulatory agenda, which outlined strategic milestones aimed to repositioning Lagos electricity market for efficiency, innovation, and reliability through 2030. Now, then when you look at this, so many grammars, right? So what it means is that the Lagos State has made an announcement that they are going to start giving 24/7 power supply. As I said earlier, it will be some part of Lagos, okay? And from then, they will be expanding one by one. When everybody will have electricity, 24/7 power supply is expected to be by 2030, because they are going to be changing meters, doing everything. But once they announce 2 zones or 3, 2 or 3, listen, because it is plural, it may also be 4. It may also be 4, because what it says is 24/7 electricity franchise zones across Lagos. We don't know how many. But we know it is not all, because everything will be completed by 2030. This is a good news. And I know everybody in Lagos will be praying, let it be from my area. Let it be from my area. And based on what I read and what I have heard, is that it will start from July. Why is it not written here? Let me check. Yeah, it will start from July. I'm coming. Did it write any? pilot electricity from by October 22. Okay, by October. Okay, so we say by October. Okay, Lagos will begin rolling out of 247 electricity franchise zone by October. Oh yeah, October. So now the places where they are going to have the test run, work is ongoing there currently, and by October they turn it on. When they turn it on, among the 5 zones, maybe 2 zones or 3, let's see, or 4, let's see, but not all. When they turn it on, then those zones will have electricity and it will never go off. From there, they began to expand. And it could also be that they will give all the zones electricity and they began to expand in all these new estates that is being built in Lagos, because Lagos is too big and bush everywhere is turning into town, like all this Lake Epe and so on and so forth. Maybe that is also what they mean. Maybe they mean that they cannot give everybody, but they will give some zones, and that zones they mean there is that everybody. So we will wait and see which zones and where that will begin to have electricity from October, and the rest will have 247 electricity by 2030. The only thing I know is that whether they are going to give by zones or not by zones, Ikeja will definitely have power by October this year, because that is the capital of Lagos. That is where they have judiciary. That's where they have airport. That's where they have almost all important things are in Ikeja. Therefore, this is a good news for people who live within Ikeja now and Lagos in general, because even if it is only for Ikeja today, tomorrow it will be for the entire Lagos. And that is going to be a mind-blowing. The people you are seeing are the stakeholders who are going to manage the electricity. So this is the picture they took with the governor, and the governor was very, very happy with them. The plan has already commenced, and by October, then electricity in Lagos. Another place I believe that will have electricity is Lekki. Lekki. That place is going to have electricity. I believe all the important parts of Lagos, both Ikoyi, they are all going to have power. Go and mark my word. If there are people who are not going to have power, people living in like Ikotoegbe, all those small areas or Vos, so maybe those areas may not have power. They may not have power. But the people living in Lekki, Ikoyi, Ikeja, there will be power there from October. And this is going to be a breaking news everywhere. Once Nigeria has power, the world will notice. Imagine only Abia State alone, people have started rejoicing. Talk less of Lagos. And from Lagos to Abuja, and we see how it works. But currently, Lagos has now made an announcement. Enugu State has made an announcement. Oyo State has made an announcement. Is it Oyo? Yeah, Oyo State has made an announcement. And Imo State also has made an announcement. Very, very good news is coming to Nigeria. Believe me, this is very, very nice. And if you want to check, you can actually check on my channel and see when I broke all the news about 247 power supply. Everybody is working about 247 power supply right now. Everybody. And Lagos is not late at all. Lagos know they carry last. And the development of Nigeria will start immediately when everybody, not even everybody, when about 50% of Nigeria states have 247 power supply, because I see it impossible to be everywhere. There are areas that have problem and so on and so forth about insurgents and so on. Maybe those places it may take time, but Nigeria is going to get 247 power supply. Remember, when Lagos is having the electricity, they are disconnecting from NEPA. As Abia State had electricity, it is disconnected from NEPA. Therefore, Imo State within 1 month will be disconnected from NEPA as well. The same thing to Enugu State will be disconnected from NEPA. The same thing to Oyo State. They will be disconnected from NEPA. Or Oyo is one part, just as Lagos do. What does this mean? The poorest state in Nigeria will then remain with NEPA. And when majority of the states have disconnected from NEPA, then NEPA will get stronger, because the megawatts they will have will be enough to give those poor states power. This is exactly what will happen. If care is not taken, poor states in Nigeria that are just sleeping will just wake up in one day, and the megawatts that NEPA is generating will be enough for them. Because when Lagos have electricity, it's about 25 to 30 million people going out from NEPA. of the grid, of the national grid. What does this mean? Power increase in other area. Any day Kano began to work for electricity, then Port State will be having more power, and everybody will be rejoicing, believe me. So this is a very, very nice news. This is a very, very nice news. Apart from all the beautiful, beautiful infrastructure that Lagos has, believe me, what we have today, this news is bigger than any infrastructure that has happened to Lagos. That 247 power supply, Nigeria entirely. Nigeria economy is going to improve and be noticed. With Lagos alone, you will see what I'm talking about. With Lagos alone. And since Lagos is going to be among the first, this also is going to cause influx of people, because there are so many companies that will be opened in Lagos immediately. They will be opening companies everywhere, looking for people to work. Believe me. So this is exactly what we come here to tell you, and it is a very, very nice news. So if you are in Nigeria, this day is a day that you will not forget. But let's wait until they turn it on November, which is when everybody will celebrate. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. I know that you've been watching Prisers TV, and today is really a day that we are going to be remembered forever. The first time we had that Lagos will have 247 power supply. That is a day that we'll never forget. Believe me. So thank you very much for watching. I know that you've been watching Prisers TV. See you next time.